Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set a return policy in your Etsy store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, the first thing we can do in the upper right corner is go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. And from this home page, now we can get started with accessing our shop manager in the upper right corner. This is going to enable you to go and set up your shop if you do not already have one. And if you have one, from here, you're going to go and be able to access your shop settings. So now let's go and take a look at this article right here on the official Etsy Help Center on how to set up a policy for a store. So basically, to set up our shop policies, we are going to go to etsy.com and open up the shop manager just like if I showed you right here in the upper right corner by clicking on it. And then from the new menu that appears, you're going to select settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to see an option that says choose policy settings, and you're going to open up your policy settings. And from there, your policies have several sections and are separated into different tabs such as returns and exchanges, cancellations, privacy, and fixed. From there, you can find what you need and get started setting up your policies for your items on your shop. And if you need to edit anything, it's going to be available right here in the shop manager option that I have just showed you. So that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.